Hello, good morning once again. Ito po si Daddy GM. Welcome back to our video today. And part 3 na po tayo sa Quality Defensive Driving Tutorial somewhere down the road. Ang topic po natin ngayon is regarding how to cross an intersection. Ngayon, nag-cross tayo ng intersection. So, dapat clear yung sa harap mo bago ka mag-cross, either for left or for right. And check mo rin yung bawat sa gilid, left and right, kung may sasakyan ba or wala. So pag nakapasok ka na sa intersection, tulad ng ginantan natin ngayon, dapat be sure na you are on the right lane. So never ka maglabas-pasok sa lane pag hindi naman necessary. Tulad niyan, may upcoming L300 van sa left side ko, pero I stay on my lane. Alright? Okay. So, left side tayo kasi papasok tayo sa next na gate sa SS10. So, right now, slow down, crossing dahan-dahan, and that's it. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Keep safe on the road, and God bless.